We're here. Greene Lake, Charlottesville, Virginia. Possibly the most pressured small fishing lake there is in central Virginia. This place has a huge bank. It goes all the way down. They have that massive dock behind me, right there. And they got beaches over there. This is not a very big lake. It's by the airport. This gets fished every single day. I've never seen this place not being fished. So we are going to just hit the shady spots now. It's 9 a.m. It's gonna be one of the hottest days in September. I'm hoping not to get skunked today, really. That's the plan. So let's hit the shady spots, throw some top water, start this morning off. Then we'll get into the nitty gritty things. We're gonna start off with the Berkeley Chopo. I just got one, I've never fished one before. We'll see how it compares to the Whopper Plopper. Berkeley Chopo in the bone color. I think this is the 105. Oh, we'll say it on the bottom. 105. Let's hit it. This water is insanely clear. It's really beautiful. Doesn't look like they're even slightly interested, so you know what time it is. Oh, we got my dog hair on there. My dog rolls everything around me. Wacky rig time. Let's catch that 8-incher. Get the skunk out of the boat. There's one. Yeah, lake lurker monster. Oh my goodness. Hello. Let's get the hero pick, hold on. I can't. Wow. Let's keep it up. We're on a pattern now. That was a decent sized bass. That was like a keeper. Oh, my feelings, dude. Sixth Sense Quake, I think it's what they're called. And it's stuck in my reel. All right, let's hit it. Just make some big old fan casts. Man. God darn, dude. All right. Camera is too hot. Look at that. Tells you that right on the GoPro. Just bust out the wacky real quick and catch one of these dinks that's hiding back there. Look at these conditions. This is tough. Stuff like this though, a shade pocket surrounded by laydowns, like I'm not expecting to catch a PB out of here, but like right back in there. Well, let's try that again. Like right back in there, like if we were to skip this wacky rig, like so. I don't know how deep that is, but usually there's like a dink that hangs out in there. Like that's how you get the skunk out of a boat, is like that type of area. There goes our dink. Let's try him one more time. I think that fish was 6 inches. That was probably the same size as this Cinco. That was a bluegill, that was not a bass. That was a bass again. This corner right here, same deal. This is how you get the skunk out. You cast into an area like that. Chances of there being a monster back there are very low. Chances of you catching a... And my back camera just died even on the external battery. My rear camera is unmelting. Let's just throw the wacky up underneath this tree and hope it produces something. It's producing a bluegill. Is he still on? Oh, wait a second. Wait just 1 second. We're gonna have to do surgery. I knew you were in here. Oh, this isn't. You're hooked fine. I thought I injured you. I knew you were in here. You monster. You absolute monster. Wait. 9 inches. Close your mouth. 925. Wow. I'm gonna give you the Goblin Slayer. Whoa. Amazing. Damn. That thing hit it like a bluegill, but that was a keeper-sized fish. How exciting. I think most of this is going to be pretty shallow back here, but we're going to continue to explore. That freaking rat. These are nice. Hello, Misty. Does anyone see the size of this snapping turtle? I'm gonna hit it in the head. Ah! We're gonna do our best to stay in the shade. Throw this blade bait all over here. I don't think that's a fish. I'm hopeful. But it's not, it's fighting like weeds, not a fish. And it just shook off whatever it was. In New England, I kind of damn. That's just grass on there, but that hit was not grass. Oh my gosh, is that a fish? Oh, it might not be a huge one, but it's a fish. Today. What do you bring to the table? That was a hardy cast. You're about 2.5 pounds too small. I wanted you, but like that long. But I appreciate you. Let's see. Do you break 10? Nope. Do you break 9? 9 inches. Ooh, style. Thanks for tuning in and bearing with me. That was a rough day. I knew it was going to be a rough day going into it. I might have even said it in my intro, I don't remember. But that lake kicked our butt, and you know, it was just kind of the perfect storm of bad conditions. I think that lake has a lot of potential. I don't fish it very often, so I can't speak with results, but I have seen big fish in there. I've heard people pull big fish out of there. I know there's fish in there. I'm gonna have, please like and subscribe. I keep forgetting to say that. I know you're supposed to. I'm never gonna be a good YouTuber. Thanks. It just hit me why I sucked at fishing today. I didn't get nice coffee. This is all on me. You guys deserve so much better, and I'm sorry.